This message was issued by the civil authorities. An outbreak happened about a test subject named 1T3M that has started to multiply and spread across the United States. This creature looks like a squid with a ball head shape with crosses for his eyes and has tentacles with green ends. This outbreak might spread all over America and maybe other countries. For right now, it's only spread at almost half of California, and it's making its way to the east. The United States government has sent out soldiers all across California. We advise you to move to another country or state. This creature has already killed over 1,000 plus or more people across California. We send out this message for you to beware. If you live in California, we advise you to leave.